Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see private Instagram account post. So how you can view private account on Instagram. It's really quick and easy. First of all, open your Instagram application and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap on these three bars and go for settings and privacy. And now this is your privacy section, so you can see this option account privacy. Tap on it and now you can make your account private. It's mean no one can see your post or your stories or anything on your profile, only your friend or following list. Then the problem is it's possible to view private account without following them. Then guys, when you go to your website, so if I open the Chrome browser and in the search bar I will search for private Instagram viewer. As you can see, there are too much websites to help, so please don't open this website. It's 100% fake and they are scam websites. It's a forbidden. Then go back, open your Instagram application again. Let me show you an example. Now let's say this is the private account. I will open this one and this is a private account. Then if you want to see his post or his stories or anything in this profile, there is no option that Instagram give you to see his post or his stories. Now if you want to see his stories and post, the only solution is to follow and click on follow button, and then if they will accept your request, you can see their post or their story. There is no website that can help you to see the private account. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.